There's Sue's mother, Ellen, that's coming out of the cellar. I believe that is Sue's. And that's, I'm looking down into their kitchen. Yeah, there's Sue's mother, Ellen, from the top of where the roof used to be because the tornado took it away. This is in the middle 60s, and it done a lot of damage to Bowlegs. That's the only tornado that Bowlegs had ever had. That was their garage, car garage, what was left of it, and they opted to not to tear it down, and they opted to rebuild the house just like it was before.